I want us to answer this question. I posted this question as the exercise, but I've seen some challenges, and I want to address these challenges. The question is as follows. The total profit equation of memezeni enterprise of Katete is where x and y represent output level of the two products lines. And the equation is pi. Now, the thing is, copy the way it is. The way it is appearing in the paper, that's how we should copy. Is it negative 500, then minus 25x, then minus 10x squared, minus 4xy, then minus 5y squared, and plus 15y. So that is our profit equation. Now, if you see this pi thing, you should know that it's profit equation. So we are trying to maximize this equation. So the first question is, use the substitution method to determine the profit maximizing output level of goods X and Y, subject to the side condition that the sum of the two products lines equals to 100 units. So that's what we have been given. So we have been given that X plus Y should give us 100. Yes. Now, I told you in my notes that I gave you previously, I told you that when you have this is your constraint equation. You have to make one of the variables a subject. For example, I'm going to make x a subject. I'll say x is equal to 100 minus 1. Why we close the equal sign? And to be minus 1. So we have made x a subject, which means in this, our profit function, where there is x, we put that. Where there is x, we put that. Now, I want you to follow me very well. If you look this 10, it is 10x squared. It means they are saying, where there is x, you square it. So they are going to say 100 minus y times 100 minus y. So, let me get the calculator. Yeah, where is the calculator? Okay. I'm going to use my phone. I'm going to use my phone as a calculator, but I like using a calculator. I don't know where I've pressed my calculator, so I just use my phone as my calculator. Okay. So I said 100 minus y times 100 minus y. That's the meaning of x squared. So instead of putting that there, okay, we can do this. We say pi equals negative 500 minus 25, open bracket, where there is x, we are going to put 100 minus 1. Minus 10, open bracket, 100 minus y squared. Then minus. Now, as you see, the x there is in the middle. This is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. So we are going to say negative 4y, then our x will be plus at the end. To be 100 minus y, then minus 5y squared plus 15y. So that's why I'm saying that where there is 100 minus y squared, you have to square this 100 minus y. And it will be 100 minus y multiplied by 100 minus y. So let's do our mathematics and see what it's going to give us. Let's do our mathematics. So 100 times 100 is equal to what? 10,000. So it's going to be 10,000. That is 100 times 100. Then 100 times negative y is going to be minus 100y. So we are done multiplying this 100 with all of the elements in this set. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to take this y multiplied by all the elements that are in this set. So it will be negative y times 100 will be negative 100y. Negative y times negative y, that will be positive y. y squared. A negative and negative gives you a positive. Then we reduce it. We say 10,000 minus negative is going to be minus 200 y. Are you following? Then plus y squared. So what does it mean? It means that whenever there is y squared in our equation, we are going to put this y. We are going to put 10,000 minus 200 plus y squared. Okay, let's do this. So it's going to be pi is equal to negative 500 minus 25 open bracket 100 minus 1 close bracket minus 10 open bracket. Now this is squared. So instead of putting 100 minus y squared, we are just going to put 10,000 minus 200y plus y squared, close bracket. Next, we are going to take this, which will be minus 4y, open bracket, 100, minus y, close, minus 5y squared, plus 15y. So, we have turned our function, our profit function, into an unconstrained equation. So let's look for that. We are going to say profit is equal to negative 500 will remain like that. Then we are going to do our mathematics. So we are going to say negative 25 times 100, that is negative 2,500. Negative times negative, negative 25 times negative, this one is going to be positive 25y squared, right? That's what I'm doing right here. Negative 25 times negative y, that is positive 25y squared, minus 10 times that is 100,000. 100,000. Eh? Where should I put it? 25,000. This one not 25,000. This is 25 times 100 is 25. 25 times negative 25 times negative y, which is positive 25y squared. Okay. 10 times 10,000 is 100,000, which I've put there. 10 times negative 200, that is negative 10 times that, which is positive 2,000. 1. Then negative 10 times that is going to give us negative what? 10y squared. Let's hope those things are visible. Then we say minus. Okay, let's forget about the minus. Negative 4y times 100, it is minus 400y. Then negative 4y squared, 4y times negative y is going to be positive 4y squared. Then our minus 5y squared will remain, plus 15y will remain. Okay. Let's now connect the like tables. It will be profit is equal to negative 500 is going to go number 1, 25, negative 25. After going negative 25, it's going to go again 100,000. After calling 100,000, okay, those constant numbers are over. So we are going now to get this. So it's going to be plus 25y squared. Now the question is, where is 25y squared? This is not 25y squared. It's just minus 400 y. Where else? Plus 15 y. Then we are going to collect the like terms for powers. This is going to be minus 10. Yes, the first power is that one. Minus 10 y squared. Then plus 4y squared. Then minus 5y squared. Wow, this is beautiful. We have collected the like. Now we should count. This is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you should also count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have done the right thing. So let's continue. We are going to say negative 500 minus 2,500 minus 100,000 is giving us what? Profit is equal to, is that the right thing? Negative 13,000. Let's hope I'm doing the right thing. Okay. Then we come to the y. It's a variable y, which is 25 plus 200. Sorry. I did not cancel that with my calculator. 25 plus 2,000 minus 400 plus 15 is equal to positive 1,640y. Then we go to the powers. We are going to say 10, that's a negative, so it's going to be negative 10 plus 4 minus 5 is going to be negative 11y squared. After we have reached that far, then we are going to differentiate in terms of y. So it's going to be d profit over dy, which is equal to. Now remember, this is a constant number, so it's not going to be there. We're just going to take this one. So it will be 1,640. Remember, the power of this is 1. So 1 times 1,640 is going to be 1,640. Then you know the rule. This one will be subtracted by 1. And it will be 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So it means this one will disappear will go, because any number to the power 0 is 0. Minus 2 times 11 is 22. Minus 1 from 2 there, then we are going to have 1y. This should be equal to 0. So we have differentiated in terms of y. From this point we can solve that for y. It's going to be like negative 22y is equal to this 1,600 cross the equal sign is going to be negative 1,640. We are solving for y. We divide by negative 22. We divide by negative 22. Okay? We cancel and we cancel. Our y will remain. Y is equal to. Now, 1,640 divided by 22. 1,640 divided by 22. 1,640 divided by 22 is going to give us 74.5455. Yeah, round off 55. So that is the value for our y. So we have solved y. We are just only solving for x. Now to solve for x, we are just going to take our constant equation in which we have created x as a subject formula. It was the x is equal to 100 minus y. Now we know that our y is 74.55. So our x is going to be x is equal to 100 minus 74.55. So our x is going to be, what will be our x? Our x is going to be 24 point what? Our x is going to be what? 24 points. So 100 minus 74.55. In fact, it's going to be 25.45. That is our value our x value. So we have solved that problem using a substitution method. Thank you very much. Have done me again.